Assalamu alaikum. My name is Subaib Ali Khan. My roll number is EP1770067. And our topic for presentation is eating disorder. My subtopic is anorexia nervosa. What is anorexia nervosa? It is an eating disorder characterized by an abnormally low body weight and intense fear of gaining weight. People with anorexia places a high value of controlling their weight and shape. To prevent weight gain or to continue losing weight, people with anorexia usually restrict the amount of food they eat. They may control calorie intake by vomiting after eating or by misusing laxatives, diet acids, diuretics, or enemas. They may also try to lose weight by exercising excessively. No matter how much weight is lost, the person continues to fear weight gain. इसके सिम्टम्स क्या हैं हमारे पास? द सिम्टम्स आर द फिजिकल सिम्टम्स ऑफ एनोरेक्सिया आर रिलेटेड टू starvation. Anorexia also includes emotional and behavioral issues involving an unrealistic perception of body weight and an extremely strong fear of gaining weight or becoming fat. It may be difficult to notice signs and symptoms because what is considered a low body weight is different for each person. What are the physical symptoms of anorexia nervosa? Extreme weight loss or not making accepted डेवलपमेंट वेट गेन्स थिन अपीयरेंस होगी हमारे पास एबनॉर्मल ब्लड काउंट्स होंगे फटीग होगी इंसोम्निया डिजीनेस और फेंटिंग ब्लूइश ब्लूइश डिस्कलरेशन ऑफ द फिंगर्स हो जाती है हमारे अंदर इसके अंदर हेयर डेड थिन्स ब्रेक और फॉल आउट हमारे हेयर जो है वो बहुत थिन हो जाएंगे और बाद में फॉल आउट हो जाएंगे सॉफ्ट डाउनी हेयर कवरिंग द बॉडी हमारे पास इसके अंदर कॉन्स्टिपेशन और एब्डोमिनल पेन रहता है हमेशा ड्राई और येलोइश स्किन इंटॉलरेंस ऑफ कोल्ड low blood pressure dehydration these all are the physical symptoms of anorexia nervosa. What are the causes of anorexia nervosa? The exact cause of anorexia nervosa is unknown. As with many diseases, it's probably a combination of biological, psychological and environmental factor. हमारे पास जो रूट कॉज जो है एनोरेक्सिया नर्वोसा की बेसिकली अननोन है ये हमारे पास किन किन फैक्टर्स की वजह हो सकती है वो बेसिकली बायोलॉजिकल फैक्टर्स हो सकते हैं साइकोलॉजिकल फैक्टर्स हो सकते हैं या इन्वायरमेंटल फैक्टर्स हो सकते हैं. What are the complications of anorexia nervosa? Anorexia can have numerous complications as its most severe it can be fatal. इसकी बहुत severe complications होती हैं और ये fatal भी हो सकती है. It may cause death also. ये बेसिकली हमारे एरिथमिया करवा देता है जो कि हार्ट प्रॉब्लम है हमारे पास एनीमिया करा देता है बोन लॉस ऑस्टियोप्रोसिस के अंदर टेक्स प्लेस हो जाता है लॉस ऑफ मसल. What are the treatment of anorexia nervosa? Basically हमारे पास goals of treatment including restoring the person to a healthy weight, treating emotional issues such as low self-esteem, correct distorted thinking patterns and developing long-term behavioral changes. Treatment most often involves a combination of the following treatment methods. हमारे पास ये दो मेथड्स हो सकती हैं साइकोथेरेपी हम इसमें यूज़ कर सकते हैं या मेडिकेशन यूज़ करते हैं. साइकोथेरेपी में हमारे पास दो चीज़ें आ जाती हैं कॉग्निटिव थेरेपी और बिहेवियर थेरेपी आ जाती है. इसके अंदर बेसिकली हम पॉजिटिव थॉट्स को डेवलप कराते हैं और इसके अंदर उसके एंगर को कम करवाते हैं बेसिकली पेशेंट के. हमारे पास मेडिकेशन में सर्टेन एंटी डिप्रेशन हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं और इसमें ऐसे एस एस आर आई बहुत हमारे पास इंपॉर्टेंट है जो कंट्रोल करती है एनजाइटी और डिप्रेशन को जो हमारे पास कॉज किसकी वजह से हो रहा था ईटिंग डिसऑर्डर की वजह से. अब हम आ जाते हैं इसकी केस स्टडी पे. While a 14-year-old girl was brought by her parents to the clinic for amenorrhea for 3 months, she attained menarche at 12 years old. The parents also complained that she had been dieting since 7 months prior to the clinic visit, which had caused her to lose weight. She frequently missed breakfast and lunch, while is the youngest of the two siblings. She described her father as a strict and overprotective parent. She felt that the father was over controlling her life. She was not able to express herself well and often repressed her feelings. Her parents described her as someone who was rather perfectionist and obsessive in cleanliness and punctuality. She was an above average student academically, but she aimed to achieve better results in future. She denied any symptoms of depression. There was no family history of eating disorder in the family. Clinical examination revealed a thin girl with a body weight of 35.9 kg, height 1.52 meter, and body mass index of 15.5 kg per meter square. During the clinical visits, her vital signs were normal and other symptoms were unremarkable. Blood investigation, which included full blood count, renal profile, liver function test, thyroid profile, and serum, serum calculation phosphate were within normal limits. While was managed at the outpatient clinic, She was referred to the dietitian for dietary advice and psychologist for further counseling. A child psychiatrist was also consulted regarding Wiles' problems and management. During the follow-up, Weil progressed well and her weight increased gradually. She achieved a BMI of 18 and began menstruating again after 2 years. Her eating habits and negative thoughts also improved with the psychological interventions given. What is the discussion? Weil was diagnosed as having anorexia nervosa based on ICD-10. The diagnosis is made if the BMI is less than 17.5 kg per meter square or the body weight is maintained at least 15% below expected weight. Weight loss is self-induced by avoidance of fattening foods, exercise, vomiting, or purgation. Weil fulfilled the criteria above as she had significant weight loss, avoided fattening of food, had body image distortion and amenorrhea. The age of onset of anorexia nervosa is usually between 14 to 19 years old and the etiology is multifactorial. Weil was managed at the outpatient setting clinic with the help of other disciplines, which includes a dietitian, a psychologist, and a psychiatrist. Nervosa includes weight restoration, psychological interventions, medications if necessary, and long term follow up to avoid relapse. Thank you.